Hello everyone, this is Mansi from evidhyati.in. Now we are about to start chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. So before starting the exercises, I want to give you a short introduction before exercise 3.1. So the first thing I'm going to discuss is polygon. इस chapter की जो हमारी first exercise है उसमें हम polygons के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So polygon होता क्या है? यहाँ पे इसकी definition है a simple closed curve made up only of line segments. मतलब कि कोई ऐसा closed curve मतलब जैसे कि कोई भी आपके पास figure है. It can be any curve like this, but it is a closed curve. अब यहाँ पे जो shape है ये line segment से नहीं बना. So this is only a closed curve. Polygon नहीं है, लेकिन अगर ये closed curve ऐसा है, या जैसे यहाँ पे हमने examples draw कर रहे हैं, this is a quadrilateral, triangle, pentagon. So these are all polygon. ये closed curve भी है और polygon भी है. Okay. So this is what polygon means. अब polygon के अंदर भी different types है. So let's discuss the different types of polygon. Now let's talk about the types of polygon. So here we have 4 types of polygon. The first one is concave polygon. So concave polygon क्या होता है? It is a type of polygon जिसका at least एक angle 180 degree से ज्यादा हो. So for example, if I draw this figure, so अब ये वाली जो figure है ये line segment से बनी and it is a closed curve. So ये तो confirm है that this is a polygon. Now इसका जो ये वाला angle है, this is more than 180 degree. So this means this is a concave polygon. Okay. Next we have convex polygon. Convex polygon is a type of polygon जिसकी सारी sides 180 degree से कम होती हैं. So if I draw a simple quadrilateral like this, so यहाँ पे जो इसकी sides होंगी, यहाँ पे जो इसके angles होंगे, ये सारे 180 degree से कम है. Also ये line segment से बनी है and it is a closed curve. So this is a polygon and since इसके angles 180 degree से कम है, so this is a convex polygon. Next we have regular polygon. Regular polygon हम किसको बोलते हैं? जिसकी सारी sides equal हो और सारे angles equal हो. For example, if I take a equilateral triangle, so we know that in an equilateral triangle all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Right? Next we have irregular polygon. अब irregular polygon क्या होता है? Regular का opposite means इसकी sides equal नहीं होंगी, ना ही angles equal होंगे. Like for example, if I draw a trapezium, so we know that trapezium की sides equal नहीं होती. So trapezium can be an example of irregular polygon. So यहाँ पे हमने 4 type of polygon discuss करी है. First one is concave, जिसका at least एक angle 180 degree से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. Then we have convex polygon जिसके सारे angles 180 degree से कम होते हैं. Then in the regular polygon we have all the sides and all the angles are equal. Next we have irregular polygon in which all the sides and all the angles are not equal. So this was type of polygon. Now let's discuss one property before starting exercise 3.1. So now there is a property of quadrilateral which is known as angle sum property of quadrilateral. ऐसे ही हमने एक property करी थी triangles पे और उसमें क्या नाम था उसका? Angle sum property of triangle, which says कि triangle के जितने भी angles होते हैं उसका sum 180 degree होता है. But here since we have a quadrilateral, so this property says that the sum of angles, like we have angle A plus angle B, then plus angle C plus angle D. So इन चारों के angles का sum is equals to 360 degree. Right? This means कि आपके पास अगर कोई भी quadrilateral है तो जब हम उसके angles को add करेंगे तो उसका sum हमेशा 360 के equal होगा. So this was angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now let's start exercise 3.1.